Hi there. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly upload files to your Forex VPS using Dropbox. It's a smooth and secure method, perfect for transferring indicators, expert advisors, or any trading files you need. Let's jump right in and get your VPS ready to go. To get started, visit the official Dropbox website, Dropbox.com, and sign up. The process is very simple. Click the Sign Up button, then fill in the required information such as your name, email, and password. You can also sign up using your existing Google account for easier access. After signing up and logging in, it's time to upload the files you want to back up. Look for the Upload button on the main page and click it. A window will appear where you can select the files you want to save. For example, if you want to save a JPEG image, select the file and click Open. Wait until the upload process is complete. Once done, the file will be available in your Dropbox account. Now open your VPS. If you have a browser installed on your VPS, e.g. Chrome, go to the Dropbox site and log in using the account you registered. After logging into Dropbox on your VPS, locate the file you want to download, click the three-dot icon, then click the Download button at the top center. Wait until the download process is complete. This is some alternative ways to download files directly from Dropbox. And that's it. Now you know how to upload files to your Forex VPS using Dropbox. Easy, fast, and hassle-free. We hope this helps boost your trading efficiency. If this video was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it too. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!